On 1st October 2024, the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission, Arvind Panagariya, visited the Law Kyntang or Sacred Grove at Mawphlang and also the Khasi Heritage Village, which hosts the Monolith Festival. The visit was part of a tour organized by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Arvind Panagariya was accompanied by key officials including KHADC Chief Executive Member Panyai Singh, Council Chairman Mawphlang, executive members of the council besides others. In a statement to the press, Arvind Panagariya praised the scenic beauty of the area and expressed his intention to return with his family to explore more of Meghalaya's tourist spots, including Mawphlang and Sora.
Monolith symbolized indigenous traditional spices are here.
Where we want to preserve the traditions of the people of Mawphlang, because this location is facing the famous sacred grove where it has been properly demarcated, sanctified, and also with the invoke the deities to take care of the grove. It has been standing through test of time for more than 800 years. So the deities here in the grove is in the form of a leopard and a snake. So these are taking care, they are as the custodian of the grove and the people of Mawphlang. Nothing is allowed to take anything from this grove. We don't even take the leaves because it is regarded sacred. And this has been also been testified by many findings that has been happening to people who sometimes by mistake take something from the forest where they got the wrath of the deities and are being punished. So this sacred grove, not only Mawphlang has been protecting the sacred grove through test of time, as I said, and we stand as the leaders in conservation. We have been able to being validated for the first Red Plus project in India and Asia. So
the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyai Singh, expressed satisfaction with Panagariya's visit and voiced optimism that the Finance Commission would consider their request for special funding to the state's autonomous district councils. This, he said, would help preserve local culture and promote ecotourism in the region. Can we have all the members?
Hakani ka arts, culture and ecotourism. Kani bar khoi kala kan thup. Hangta. Te kamut barok san ku south li hima nang talai hajar tam kishnong bat ngin hab identify pat kinu kishnong ki bala don ye ki retreat store ngin hab ban pen im kai. Kamram jungi kan council ka kata. Mdei ban shna an thamai ngi hab ban wara ki an kumoong no ktin nong wei ban codify. Tang ban preserve ne ban penim ke bala dan lupa bat ban penne pensa di tangkata
ke ka kular gua klepi
nakalian jong baro khot ki members ki bangla kendu nadu menen hadu chairman nakalian jong ki long positive ba sutunat ba ke ba kilawan kila jngo kila I dalam ka jong khmat long kata hi ka ban ban ko ngo yaki habai dei ba khani ka jing wan ban sngap ka nongrim ka bangidan ban wan ra kini proposal prepare nam taka 16 Finance Commission.